concrete, and we are going to look at the types of concrete and the application. We shall by knowing the different types of concrete, which are normal strength concrete, plain or ordinary concrete, reinforced concrete, pre-stressed concrete, precast concrete, lightweight concrete, high density concrete, air entrained concrete, ready mix concrete, polymer concrete, and polymer. We have the three types: polymer concrete, polymer cement concrete, polymer impregnated concrete. We have the high strength concrete. We shall begin by the first one, the normal strength concrete. And here the concrete is obtained by mixing the basic ingredients, which are the cement, water, and the aggregate, which will give us the normal strength concrete. The strength of this type of concrete will vary from 10 MPa to 40 MPa. And the initial setting of the, let's move now to the plain concrete. And here we have no reinforcement in it, it's just plain as the word speaks. The main constituents are the cement, aggregate, and water, which is now the concrete. Most commonly used mixed design is ratio 1:2:4, which is in the class of class 15. So you should also be knowing the type of classes, the grades of classes that are there to understand the concept well. And here this class, which is M15, mix 15, is a normal mixed design. The density of the plain concrete will vary between 2200 to 2500 kg per meter cube, and its compressive strength is 200 to 500 kg per centimeter squared. This kind of concrete. Let's move now to the reinforced concrete. And here the reinforced cement concrete is defined as the concrete to which reinforcement is introduced to bear the tensile strength. So the plain one, which is just plain with nothing, but here we have the reinforced, as the word says, it's reinforced. So the placement of the reinforced will take up to the responsibility of bearing the tensile stresses. RCC works with the combined action of the plain concrete and the reinforcement. The steel reinforcement used in the concrete can be in the form of rods, bars, or in the form of meshes. Now, fibers are also developed as reinforcement. Fiber reinforced concrete are concrete that use fibers, which are the steel fibers. And use of meshes in concrete will give fibrocement. Whatever be the type of reinforcement used in concrete, it is very necessary to ensure proper bond between the concrete and the reinforcement. This bond will control the strength and durability factors of the concrete. We shall look at the pre-stressed concrete, and here most of the mega concrete projects are carried out through pre-stressed concrete units. This is a special technique which the bars of the tendons used in the concrete is stressed before the actual service load application. During the mixing and the placing of the concrete, these tension bars place firmly held from each end of the structure unit. Once the concrete sets are hardened, the structure unit will be put in the compression. This phenomenon of pre-stressing will make the lower section of the concrete member to be strong against the tension. And the pre-stressing will require heavy equipment and labor skills. So hence the pre-stressing units are made at site and assembled at site. They are used in the application of bridges, heavy loaded structures, and roof with longer spans. And finally, we are going to look at the precast concrete, which will take as our final. And the various structural elements can be made and cast in factory as per the specification and brought to the site at the time of assembly. Such concrete units are called as the precast concrete. The example of precast concrete units are concrete blocks, the staircase units, precast walls and poles, concrete lintels, and many other elements. These units have the advantage of acquiring speedy construction, as only assemblage is necessary, as the manufacturing is done at site. Quality is assured. The only precaution taken is for their transportation. And here is our final lesson. Thank you.